Hello YouTube, today I will give you a quick overview of the new DJI Pocket 2. Let's do it. Alright guys, so as the war for supremacy between the camera companies continue, we the creators get the best of it. Just when GoPro stepped up their game with the new Hero 9, DJI says no way Jose and releases the DJI Pocket 2. They don't want to give GoPro a break. The Pocket 2 is smaller than the previous model, the Osmos One, and it takes photos at 64 megapixels, which is even higher than some professional cameras. In the video, it has 4x zoom and records at 4K at 60 frames per second. And it comes with a 3-axis image stabilization, so if you are recording while you're on the move, your footage will be balanced. And with the help of the active track, you don't have to worry too much about focusing or shaky footage. And for your B-roll, it records 8x slow motion and motion lapse, which pretty much is time-lapse mode. It comes with a wireless mic with stereo audio, and inside of the device it has the option for AI editor, so you can edit quick clips inside of the same DJI Pocket 2. DJI created this piece of equipment for people that are interested in vlogging and or creating quick content for their social media. It seems to me like DJI is trying to reach out to on-the-move content creators that don't have the time, space, or budget for bigger equipment. The price range of this Pocket 2 is $349 for the Essential Kit and $499 for the Creator Combo. Well, there's not much more I can say about the DJI Pocket 2. It seems pretty legit to me. Well, I'm going to have to try it out myself and share with you my experience. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this video, but let me know in the comments down below if the DJI Pocket is the right equipment for you. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace!